Hey guys, it's me Alice, and in this video I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to how to stay organised in college, because why not, and yeah! Organisation is key to success and being organised, obviously. And yeah, so these are things which I have learnt from my first year of college, and I'm using them in my second year of college, and they're just really useful, and I really hope at least one thing from this video helps you out, and if it does, then make sure to leave a like. That's pretty much it, and I hope you enjoy the video, and yes, let's just get into the video. Bye. Okay, so the first really useful app is Trainline. This is great if you obviously need to take a train to college, and I've just put in 2 random stops, and it's really helpful. You can track your train, you can see exactly where it's from where it is, sorry, and if it's delayed, if it's on time, if it's been cancelled, and this has saved me a lot of time and worry. The second app is Uni Days, and this isn't really a how to stay organised app, but this is something which every student really should have. You can have discounts on pretty much everything. So as you can see here, I clicked on H&M, and you can have 20% off online, and they have online and in-store discounts. So it's fashion, beauty, technology, fitness, shoes, food and drink, and lifestyle. So there's plenty of things which you can get discounts on, and that's me saying it's really good. And the final app is Class Timetable, and this is really helpful because you can put in all of your classes and the times which they are between. It's a great way to keep track of it, and then this is how you add in a new thing. You can change the colours, you can change the times, and yeah, this is me failing to click the settings button. And what is really good about this is you can get notifications before each class, and then you can change what time you want the notification to be, if that makes any sense. So overall, I think it's a really useful. However, if you don't want to download the Timetable app, or you don't have enough storage, a good way to do is just draw out your timetable and then take a photo of it, and you can set it as your phone background or your lock screen, so whenever you click and turn your phone on, you'll see your timetable. It's really simple. The only thing is you won't get like notifications 5 minutes before the class, but it's a great alternative if you've run out of storage, or you just don't really want to clutter up your phone with more apps. Keeping a diary is a really quick and easy way to stay organised, and this is my planner, and it's really nice because it has all of the dates and the months. And this is me writing in important homework I need to do, and then I always just put like a little check mark when I'm finished. And what I really like about this is it has quotes. Another great tip is to get a whiteboard, and oh my god. Another great tip is to get a whiteboard, so you can write all of your subjects on, or any important dates coming up, and you can put your homework on. It's a great alternative to the planner, but yeah, and then you can cross off once it's done, and it's rather simple. So this is my whiteboard, and it's easy to get to, and I have my subjects, work I need to do, and then important things like birthdays, and it's really good to keep up to track. And yeah, folders are a great way to be organised because look how many different sections you have. This is amazing. So this is my English folder, and I have all of my different books and important papers in different sections, and I'm going to put on labels for each one. At the moment it's just the alphabet, but it's really easy, and I just think it's really cool, and I suggest getting as many folders as you can because you're going to need them. I suggest colour coding all of your work and your notes to make them stand out a bit more, and they just look better. And this book is trash now. I suggest planning your outfit the night before or the day before, so you're not stressed in the morning trying to figure out what you're going to wear, and have fun watching footage of me being an idiot.